Lentils, healthy, fresh, and easy to sprout any lentils. These are my beautiful sprouts. So let's go ahead and see how to make them. So these are lentils, and I make sure that I clean them and check if there are any stones or anything before I store it in a container. Because it's easy to cook, cook them whenever you need. So they're clean. So now rinse it a few times with water until you know that there is no mud or anything. Washed very nicely, because once they're sprouted you don't want to rinse it with water again and again. Just one rinse for the sprout is okay. So I'm cleaning them very nicely. So once you clean them, you want to soak it in water. Make sure you add extra water because these are going to swell. So if you have 1 cup of lentil, at least add 3 cups of water so there is a room for swelling. So now I'm going to cover it, keep it for about 7 to 8 hours, and this is what I have. They're soft, nicely soaked. So now I'm going to drain out all the water. I use a strainer and I save this water because I use all this water to water my plants. That way we are saving water and not wasting them. So now all the water is removed, and now you can put it in any container or tie it in a muslin cloth and they will sprout. Now it's summer here, so I'll just put it in a plastic container and put it in a warm place in my oven where I cook. And this is what I have after 16 to 18 hours. Check it after every 12 hours. If they turn like slimy or something, then rinse it with water. These lentils sprout very easily and they don't turn slimy. You can store it in the refrigerator, but eat fresh, the better it is.